Hello my friends, and welcome to Sunshine Sound, where the sunny side of town is normally here. But in today's video, I will be presenting none other than Buttercup from the Powerpuff Girls. If you're not sure who I am Morticia Addams, who presented herself in the last video. If you haven't seen it, go click off and watch it now. But if you have, then make sure you stick around and watch me turn into Buttercup, the green goddess herself. So as you guys saw, I started this video as Morticia Addams, so now we're transitioning to Buttercup as I'm doing all of these videos in the same day. You're thinking, Sunshine, this is looking real messy, but remember that Buttercup is a little girl, so I wanted to embody that in this makeup. She wouldn't know what she's doing. Alright, so this is the final look. It's giving very much sporty spice, but also Buttercup. I mean, the neon green, the hair, Buttercup in 2021. I love this so much. I love this so much. If you like this video, make sure you like it, subscribe, comment down below, and let me know what you think the next 8 are gonna be, because this is 2 out of 10. I'll see you guys in my video starting tomorrow. Bye.